I'm back again to talk to you today about the On Guard product range. So, anyone that knows us personally knows that we are obsessed with doTERRA products. So we do like the oils and we use the oils, but for us, we've integrated almost every product into our everyday life. And for us, that's huge because of the non-toxic nature of it. So that's why we do it. We love the products. They're high quality and they're good for our family. So the On Guard collection really covers your basic needs in your house. So I'm going to start out with On Guard laundry detergent. Who knew doTERRA made laundry detergent, right? They do. So it's ultra concentrated. It does 64 loads in an HE machine, so it lasts in our house. I mean, we've got 3 kids and it still lasts us quite a long time. In one bottle of detergent is 10 mils of the On Guard oil. So there's a video on the On Guard oil if you're interested in learning more about that. But it's just awesome. It leaves your clothes smelling fresh. It's got great enzymes in it that break down the dirt, so you don't have to wash in warm water. You can wash in cold. So that's a good collection for your house. Great for sensitive skin. So I've had people ask me about that. We have very sensitive skin in our family, so I do, and our son Ashton does. And we were using an all-natural, great New Zealand brand of laundry detergent before we switched to doTERRA. And I was a little bit nervous because I knew that one worked for us, but we have had no issues. And, you know, it's just all non-toxic, so there's no perfumes or other things that irritate your skin. Also in the On Guard range is the On Guard cleanser concentrate. So again, if you watch that On Guard video, you've heard me say that we actually just use On Guard oil and water in a bottle to clean. That works for us. A lot of people prefer the cleaner concentrate. So this is actually my mom's. She uses this. You just mix it up in a bottle and it sprays really nice. It has the same consistency of a cleanser that you don't get when you use water and oil. So a lot of people prefer that. Easy solution for you. Next is the foaming hand wash. So the foaming hand wash is just foaming hand wash. You get 2 plastic bottles and 1 bottle of the cleanser. And then after that, you can just buy the cleanser, so you're not wasting these just to refill. And it's just got that great scent of the On Guard, which is like that spicy scent. And you just come away after washing your hands and you're like, my hands smell good. But you also get all of that strong cleansing property of the On Guard. So this is not like your sanitizing hand wash, which I think they've taken off the market anyway because it's bad for us. But you get the natural antiseptic of the On Guard on your hands, so it's really good for keeping, you know, germs at bay. So great for children. Also in the On Guard collection is one of my favorites, the whitening toothpaste. So this toothpaste is highly recommended by dentists. There's no fluoride in it, so I use it with our little boys who are 2. It's got lots of oils. I'll read them off. Peppermint, wild orange, clove, cinnamon, 2 different cinnamons, cinnamon leaf and cinnamon bark, eucalyptus, rosemary, wintergreen, and myrrh. So really good at keeping a good balance of pH in your mouth, really good at keeping you know, excess bacteria in your mouth at bay, which is really important for gum health. So amazing for gum health. If you've got any kind of issues with your gums, if your dentist has told you you're at any kind of risk for gum issues, then you should definitely start using this toothpaste because it's really, really good for gum health, but it also just really tastes good and keeps your teeth nice and white. Brand new, hot off the press a month ago, is the On Guard mouthwash. Sorry that bottle's so dirty. We use it multiple times a day, so I should try to order a clean one to do the video, but I didn't because I'm real. And the reality is that we use this mouthwash every day. So On Guard mouthwash is alcohol free. That's huge, you guys. All the mouthwashes you're buying at stores right now are full of alcohol, which is not good for your children. It's not safe if you have little kids in your house because they can overdose with it. And it's not good for your body, actually. So no alcohol in it. I'll tell you the oils that are in it because it has On Guard oil in it. Orange, clove, cinnamon bark again, cinnamon leaf, eucalyptus, rosemary, wintergreen, myrrh, miswak, monk fruit, and peppermint. It is spicy, so it comes with a lid, and then you pour into this lid how much you want to use. So I only use this little bit. We've had this bottle since convention, so that's been about 3 weeks now. There's 3 of us using it twice a day, and we're not even halfway through it, so it should last a family about a month. It is spicy, so like I don't use it with my 2-year-olds. That would be uncomfortable for them, but our 12-year-old uses it, and we love it. And the initial research that doTERRA presented at convention about it makes me say it's awesome for your oral health, so you should definitely add that to your toothpaste and to your oral health regime. So that is the On Guard line. So lots of different choices there. And one thing that a couple of girls in my group really like to do is they actually use all their points. So part of the cool thing about doTERRA is the point system. You get points back on everything you buy. After a year, you get 30% back. So if I spend $100, I get $30 worth of points back. So they use their points to purchase all these household items they would buy anyway. I mean, they're going to buy toothpaste and hand wash and laundry detergent, and now they get it for free. So I've got other girls that buy that stuff through doTERRA and then use their points for oils because they feel like the oils maybe aren't something they would have bought initially, but they have to wash their family's clothes, so that's okay. So anyway, just a really cool addition to the oils and to your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, guys.